design DFA to accept the string of A's and B's end with AB or BA. Must from these two input symbols, A and B, generate the string end with AB or BA. Must either AB or BA. But initial length of the string is 2, AB or BA. If two input symbols are there, then two input symbol combination is AA or BB, AB or BA. Means how to design DFA to accept the string end with AB or BA. Means you can say does not end with AA or does not end with BB. Means how to design DFA to accept the string end with AB or BA. Means at least length of string is either AB or BA. Means length of string is 2. Means from this initial state there are two transactions, AB or BA. Q0 is initial state, Q1 and Q2 is final state, or Q3 and Q4. Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5 must accept the string initial string A, B. A, B is accepted, or similarly B, A. A, B or B is accepted. More than this, maybe length of string is more than 2. More than 2 means maybe A, B or A, B. Means before this A, B, 1A or more than 1A. This is 1A. Next, for second A, you can take self loop. 1 or more than 1A. Self loop. A, B is accepted. Similarly, we can take B, A. This is BA. Before this BA, we can take B, A or B, A. Means before this BA, 1 or more than 1 B's. Means this is B, self loop on Q4, that is B. From Q0 2 transaction, from Q2 2 transaction, from Q4 2 transaction, from Q3 and Q5 you can take 2 transactions. Maybe our string is A, B, A. This is end with BA, or our string is B, A, B. This is also end with AB. End with BA or end with AB. For this string A, B, A, B, from this unit transaction, one transaction on A, using this or to move to final state. Means this is one transaction on A. A, B, A, this string is accepted. Similarly, B, A, B. B, A, from this we need one transaction on B. Means this is B. B, A, B. This string is accepted. This is length of string is 3. Suppose length of string is 4. And maybe A, B, B, A or B, A, B. First we check this string. A, B, B, A, B. From this we need one transition on B. Then A. Already this A is there. Means from Q3 to Q4 on input symbol B. A, B, B, A, B, this is B, then A. Similarly, B, A, B, B, A, from this B is over. From this you can take transaction on A. B, A, B. This string is accepted. The string A, B, A, B, then this is B, A. String is accepted. This DFA can accept the string end with AB or BA.